Hello, back in Big John's garage. Got all the cars back in after having a good clear out, ready for last Saturday's welding workshop with the Boston Classic Car Club. It went really well. I think we had about 15 people in here. Paul Schaefer was just showing people how to MIG and TIG weld. Graham Lund did a bit of lead loading. Mick Rollins was showing how to form repair panels. I say it went well. I say really cold. But I say I got the cars back in, so I'm able to get stuck into some of the jobs. And I'll show you what I'm up to. Right, the Mini, I've not actually done anything to it since before Christmas. I say it's been rather cold in the garage and damp. So I've left that on the back burner. I was thinking about selling the Magnette, but a couple of weeks ago I took it for its MOT, which it passed, no advisories. But I'd done less than 150 miles in it last year. But we took it out to a breakfast meeting the Sunday after the MOT, and I quite enjoyed driving the old girl again, so I think it'll be here for a long while yet. What I'm up to at the moment, I'm going to fit some MGF seats in the Alpine, because last year we took the Alpine to the Isle of Man on a classic car tour for 4 days. Now, I've had the car 44 years. I was 28 when I bought it. I'm now 72, and I'm afraid I'm not as flexible as I used to be. And coming back on the last day, we left Douglas in the Isle of Man at about 7:30, and we drove all the way back to Boston in one hit. And my right leg was getting really painful, cramped. I had to keep stopping, so I thought, being an old bloke, I needed a bit more comfort. So I've taken the driver's seat out at the moment, and I bought a couple of MGFs, nice leather MGF seats. So I'm going to see if I can get those to fit. There is a video on the Sunbeam Alpine channel. Somebody's fitted MGF seats before. These are different to the ones they fitted. These are they're slightly narrower, so I'm hoping that I won't have to do too many modifications to make them fit. Now, I've took all the original seat mountings. I've cut them off, cut the rivets off the runners, and I've been in and bought some flat steel bar, and I'll be bolting that to the seat runners on both ends, and then this will be bolted into the car on the runners like so on both ends. Now, on the video on the YouTube channel, they actually cut this part out and the curved part there a little bit, but I don't think I'm going to have to cut too much of that out. I'll cut that out along there and make a section up that's a right angle, and that'll let me move the seat nearer to the front. So we see how I get on. But I did do a trial fit on the seat, and it seemed to fit quite well. So we'll have to see how it goes. So I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. Give us a like, subscribe. It all helps. Thank you.